For demonstration purposes on removing a block and tackle balance, first remove your sash. We'll set this out of the way. Secondly, you want to release all tension on your balance. This will be unlocking your brake to release tension where there's no tension on your balance shoe. And you'll come up here, you'll remove your hold down screw. Kind of lay it out of the way. This is a two-piece balance, which will lean out. This will separate. There's your block. Here's your shoe, which is basically the same concept. It's a little tricky putting back in because these have to interlock like so. Easy to do outside, little tricky on the inside. So this will turn back in, tilt up. This will tilt in, twist, line up appropriately. You'll feel it when it locks in. And there's your reinstall. Slide up, line your hole back up, reinstall screw. We'll reinstall this side. We're going to go in, we'll twist, turn upwards. I'm a little odd on the left hand, same concept. You'll go in, twist, slide down, align your two parts. We'll twist back up, which locks it into place. Slide up, line up your holes. Then to reinstall sash, pull back down, twist to lock. Make sure your shoes or pivot bar is locked in your balance shoes. There's your install of your block and tackle balance.